as the youth they prepare for this second EndSARS protest, my prayer is for them to succeed. There shall be no loss, because our leaders, they don't to deceive us and they don't to use us. All right, my people, before I will continue, good morning, my amazing people. Good afternoon, good evening. I greet every one of you according to your time. I remain your humble girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my channel, or you've been watching me, you've not subscribed, please today consider hitting that red button where the road subscribe and put on the notification bell. The essence of that bell is whenever I upload any video, you will be notified. To all my returning subscribers, may God richly bless you. Let's watch this video.
I don't see and say, the more they break, the more federal governments they trigger problem for this country. Ever since they say, I beg, I see they answer this question. Which accounts now that they promote Boko Haram? How many accounts now governments don't freeze for those that they go abroad, go keep our money? Federal governments on a define war. On a define war from the youth. And let me tell you something. If this war on the trigger, if this time around, if the thing starts, I pity for Nigeria. Because Nigeria go shed tears. Nigeria go cry. Blood go touch ground. The one I do for 2 gates, that one they learn, no. You see the problem. Only una they freeze our accounts. Una freeze our accounts in January. Only government they key Igbos for Port Courts. The same governments wanna hide our palliatives. Only una they locate people when they carry palliatives, they arrest them. But una not fit locate them, wanna give them palliatives during coronavirus time. Only una our request for the protests, only una never answer am. Only una they talk, say una wants to regulate social media. And during una campaign, una no regulate social media. Only una they find people na they arrest. But una will be thieves when they carry our money. When they thief our money, one person they use like 10 cars. Senator they pay senator how many million naira. Una they never arrest una. Nigeria they cry silently because if una know wetin go happen, the next one, federal government, una go use una brain, una go use una konoshe. Youths are not lazy. Youths are no longer fools. I they bite finger for the next protest when it go happen. Senators, politicians, I they pity for una. Una they disturb us. Una they toy with our peace. Una they hit our head with hammer. The hammer we go break the hammer soon. No, we go break the hammer. When they go house to houses, they arrest people. Una won't build more prison. Police when he die, they pay una. But youth when he die, they pay una. IG, they call you all the time. You dey among people won't spoil this country. You dey among people won't spoil the country. But I will surprise you, say your own northerners. They will fight against you soon. Wash, belt me. Buhari. Now for sure that you go eat your dead body. The one it go happen so because we will locate you. For sure, now you go eat your dead body for streets. Sanwo-Olu, Lagos State Governor, you are biting more than what you can chew. You dey warn us against protests. You dey give police power. May they warn us against protests. And you, Mr. Sanwo-Olu, you dey support the protests. You dey kill us and you dey support us. Oga, Mr. Governor, be careful. You say you support the protest, but now you see the back plan, they against us. Oga, be careful. See, Wike, Port Harcourt State Governor, if the lives of Igbos, we don't die for that place, if the high pass what they happen so, maybe Port Harcourt, they go end down. Oga, nobody unite first, they won't find peace. Nobody they won't secure your state too. You do overdo them. The lives of my brothers, then they play with them. If you not take time, you see Port Harcourt, you see rivers, you go end for your own crow eye like this. Gone are those days when we be thieves, bad leaders, when I don't eat rich. Time don't reach when I tell you vomit town. Wanna be careful. Osibanjo. If you know that seat don't tire you, retire before it's too late. Many bad leaders for this country, vultures go eat their dead body for streets when it go happen again. See, when I know what it day, when they find our trouble, when they remove food from our mouths. Police, they eager say make you wanna go fight against protests, wanna go kill, wanna go tire, but wanna go die like Sarah. Wanna be careful. Nigeria government, all these things that happen so has been seen in a vision before now. Wanna be careful. Our request, we see the weights. When they use brain, they create social problem for us. The newspaper they carry. When I want to regulate social media, now thunder, now you go strike the person. Desmond Elliot, you go die miserable deaths. Now you aggregate, now you generate this social media stuff. You go die miserable deaths. I make I tell you, federal government, if you like, freeze the accounts. If you like, leave the accounts. This second protest, not be even money matter. Now do and die for Nigeria to be better. Like go be the next protest. We not go even get sponsor. Everybody will come out because even the aged woman and the aged man has feel the pains. When are they for Senate, they eat our money. When are they for House, they eat our money. But now we say the youth don't talk. When they find all means to silence us. Now waste of time. Now no fits. If you like, close social media. If you like, close the accounts. CBN, if you not take time, banking sector, wanna be careful. Because when the time comes, when I go record loss, I go tire. Because now war. Federal government of Nigeria is beating a band, a drum of war. Even the little baby that is the mother womb is feeling the pains of federal governments. See, you people should be careful. You can locate the youths, the thugs, the hooligans. You can locate their doorstep, but you can't locate them with the palliatives. The man in charge of coronavirus period, Oga. You see those on TV and news for the talk. Oga, if you walk out enter streets, you are a dead man. If you walk out enter street, you are a dead man. Because vultures alone will eat your dead body without you being dead. You no go die before vultures go eat you. Vultures will from the sky and begin to eat you live. You hide our palliatives. But now it was located. Now you are looking for arrest. You even call for another coronavirus. That coronavirus, now your generation and your family or your immediate family, now that coronavirus go end. Oga, for Minister of Health or whatever you call yourself, be careful. Then aviation agency, people should be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Mr. Buhari, whether your ears block or whether your ears not block, Mr. Buhari, you better act fast. If you know so you don't die again. If you dare alive, speak out. Sorosuke. Because your country goes to turn upside down. Federal governments, be careful. Be careful. Be careful.